If you want smarter writing, better reasoning, and more structured answers, Claude is one of the best AI models you can use inside Poe AI. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude in Poe AI step by step, even if you're a beginner. First, open Poe AI in your browser or app and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, you'll see a list of available AI bots. Next, scroll through the available bots and look for Claude. It may appear as Claude, Claude Instant, or a Claude-based assistant depending on your region. Now click on Claude to open a new chat. This is where you can start asking questions, writing content, or solving problems. Claude is especially strong at writing. You can use it to create blog posts, scripts, emails, summaries, or even long-form content with clear structure. If you need deeper reasoning, Claude is great for breaking down complex topics, comparing ideas, or explaining things in a simple way. Try to be specific with your prompts. Instead of short questions, explain your goal clearly so Claude can give you more accurate and useful responses. You can refine Claude's answers by asking follow-up questions. This helps you improve tone, structure, or length until it matches your needs. Once you get a good response, you can copy it and use it in your blog, YouTube script, marketing content, or business work. And that's how to use Claude in Poe AI. Yeah, once you learn how to prompt it properly, Claude becomes a powerful tool for writing and thinking faster. Thanks for watching, and good luck using AI effectively.